Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a C by GE Cync Outdoor smart camera, the battery powered or wireless version, and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do a hard reset for any variety of reasons. If the camera is not responding to your apps or not syncing with them or anything like that, or if you're just having any kind of issues where it's not doing what it's supposed to do, a good troubleshooting step is to just do a hard reset. Now this will restore the factory default settings, so you'll need to set everything back up if you do this. But if you've decided to do this, it's quite simple. All you need to do on this outdoor battery powered camera is you're going to need to slide this case off because the reset button is hidden under the case. So you see where it mounts here. You'll slide the case off, and right by where it mounts, you have this reset button, which you'll need to press and hold for at least 3 seconds. And you'll know that you've pressed long enough when the LED indicator light on the camera turns red. You can let go. The reset has been complete, and you can go ahead and set it back up as you see fit.